திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை's 34th statement. இடைக்கடியில் கண்டேனோ முதலாழ்வார்களைப் போலே. In this statement, she refers the first 3 Alvars of 12 Alvars of Sri Vaishnavism. The first 3 Alvars, Poigai Alvar, Bhudat Alvar, Pei Alvar. These 3 Alvars, they were born in the end of, that is the period, the end of Dwapara Yuga. And they used to move from place to place in search of God. This is how they lived. Poigai Alvar was born in Tiruvekka. Bhudat Alvar was born in Mamallai. And Pei Alvar was born in Mailai. Ayan of Tirukkovilur. Tirukkovilur is one of 108 Divya Deshams. The deity of this temple, Ayan, Lord Vishnu. He wished to see all the 3 Alvars together. So he had his own plan. So one night, Poigai Alvar, he visited this place to have darshan of Lord Vishnu, and it was very rainy night and very dark, so he wanted to stay in this place. There was a rishi, Mriganda Rishi. He lived in his ashram here with his wife, and he was doing penance towards Lord Vishnu to have his darshan in the form of Vamana. So the Poigai Alvar approached the rishi to get a place to stay. Then rishi said, yes, you can stay because this place is just enough for one person to lie down. Then after a few minutes, other Alvar, that is Bhudat Alvar, he visited that place, and he wanted to stay there because it was very dark and rainy night. He asked the rishi for an accommodation. Then rishi said, yes, one can lie down, 2 can sit. Then Poigai Alvar said, yes, we 2 will sit. Then both of them stayed there. Then after some time, Pei Alvar also joined. So he wanted to stay there, and he asked the rishi to get a place to stay. Rishi said, yes, 1 can lie down, 2 can sit, and 3 can stand. Poigai Alvar and Bhudat Alvar, who were already inside, they said, yes, we will manage. All 3 of us will stand and stay here. And they started talking about Lord Vishnu. That is what they were doing all the time, because their thoughts, their prayers were only on Lord Vishnu. Perumal wanted to be with them. Perumal wanted to hear from them about himself. So he joined. So he also joined that place. That is this. In this statement, you come across a word, Idaikadi. Idaikadi is a very small place, a small portion in the ashram of Mriganda Rishi. So when all the 3 were staying, Perumal also wanted to be with them. So he also joined, he entered. And it was very dark. It was very small area. And these Alvars, they could find out the presence of one more there. So with their divine knowledge, they realized that it was only Lord Vishnu. They had that sparsam, that touch. They were excited and they started singing Pasurams. Poigai Alvar sang, Vayyam Tagaliya Varkadale Neyyaga Veya Kadiron Vilakkaga. The earth is like a lamp and the ocean is adding fuel. So it's like a ghee for lamp to give light. And the sunlight, the Kadirun, is making it bright. Then Bhudathalvar, he sang, Anbe Tagaliya Arvame Neyyaga Inburug Chindai Idithiriya. So he said, love is a lamp, and the passion is ghee, that is a fuel for the lamp, and the thoughts on God is like a wick. So all this together give light. And the third Alvar, Pedalvar, after getting the light from these two Alvars, he said, Tirukandeen Punmeni Kandeen. Yes, I found the Lord. I could see him. I could see his divine body. So this is how these three Alvars presented Tamil Pasurams to us. All these Pasurams are under the titles Mudal Tiruvandadi, Irandam Tiruvandadi, Moondram Tiruvandadi. All these Pasurams are in Nalayira Divya Prabandham. They are included in 4,000 verses of all the Alvars. So this place gave birth to the Tamil Pasurams. And Mriganda Maharishi here, he had a darshan of Lord Vishnu in the form of Thiruvikraman, and he wished to have his darshan in the form of Vamana too. His wish was fulfilled by God. Tirukkolur Pillai, that girl, she refers these Alvars, three Alvars, and she is saying, I didn't have this kind of devotion, this kind of knowledge. If I had, I would not have thought of leaving this place. So see, she is revealing her emotions to Sri Ramanuja.